In this video, we'll show you how to fix many failed attempts on your Cash App account. So if you have got this problem, first you have to know that this restriction lasts from 24 hours to 48 hours. And in this video, we'll show you how to reduce this time a little bit. So you need to click your profile in the top right corner, scroll all the way down and click support. Then you need to scroll all the way down again and click chat. But if you don't want to contact the Cash App support, you can stop right here and wait until the restriction goes its own, guys. But if you want to reduce the time, I'll show you what you can do. So right here, you can directly contact to the Cash App support. You need to explain your issue that you got a lot of failed attempts and you want to clear this restriction. So you can explain that you are linking your own card, not somebody else. You forgot your CV or something, and that's why you got so many failed attempts. Explain your issue completely. They may ask you some questions. You need to provide some information, and this might help you, and they might reduce the restriction time for you or just completely remove the restriction on your account. So we can try this. This often helps for many users. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.